OSI layer. OSI means open system interconnection. Open system interconnection. So that's why it is called a OSI layer. It is a global standard for computer networks. So if you go for creating a network, definitely you're going to adopt any one of the standard. So now we use the OSI layer. OSI layer. So in this OSI layer has 7 layers. The topmost layer is the application layer. Bottommost layer is the physical layer. So in application layer is the 7th layer. So next layer is presentation. So after that session, after that transport, after that network, after that data link and physical. So these are the 7 layers. So among the 7 layers, the top 3 layers are the software based layer. Software based layer. They are using the software. They are using the software. The bottom 3 layers are the hardware based layer. Hardware based layer is in the sense they are using the hardware components like cable, router, switch, computer. So all are used in the bottom 3 layers. So here we use the applications like browsers, any application, different kind of browsers in the application layer. So here browsers and encryption based encryption, decryption. So everything we performed in this top 3 layer. So that's why it is a software based layer. So bottom 3 are the hardware based layer. The center part is the transport layer. So this is the center place for data transfer. Okay. So first we'll discuss one by one. Okay. So first application layer. So application layer is the topmost layer, which is going to create the message. Which is going to create the message. They're going to create one message like this. So this is the application layer. So in this application layer, they're going to create a message like this. This is the message. Okay. So after that, the message was successfully created. So it will send to the presentation layer. So in this presentation layer, the main purpose of presentation layer is going to the 3 important part is there in the presentation layer, which is going to the first one is translation, second is encryption, third is decryption. So a translation in the sense, so whatever the message we received, so which is going to convert into zeros and ones. They are going to convert into translate into machine language. So which convert into zeros and ones. So that is data. So after that the encryption. You are going to apply the encryption in this layer. The data is going to be encrypted because of to avoid unauthorized access. To avoid unauthorized access. So that's why. So we have to convert the message into zeros and ones. So that is translation. After that you have to apply the encryption. So if you apply the encryption, so your plain text is going to be converted into ciphertext. Okay. In receiving side, so whatever the operation we perform in the sending side, the reverse operation is going to perform. In receiving side, the reverse operation is going to perform. So now the data are encrypted. This is the encrypted data. So after that, it will go to the session layer.